Abhor. It is a verb, which means to hate something very much, especially for moral reason. For example, smoking openly in a society is abhorred as well as banned. Eating flesh of human or meat of pig is also abhorred and banned in a society. In the Muslim society especially, drinking alcohol is still abhorred and not allowed. Killing people without any reason is abhorred in Islam, also in a society. Homosexuality's marriages is abhorred in Islam as well as in a society. Females after maturity coming out from houses without parda in Muslim culture, society are still abhorred. Synonyms of abhor: hate, loathe, despise, detest, shrink from, shudder at, recoil from, be repelled by, have an aversion to, abominate, execrate. Antonyms of abhor: like, love, enjoy, desire, admire, relish, adore, cherish, covet, delight in. Abhor, 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 abhor. Thank you for being here.